Hello, this is your offline recording for workout Thursday, upper body and back health. So, today's workout we are starting with warm up as usual. So, walk around the house. This is farmer's walk. You have heavy dumbbells in your hand and you are keeping your posture straight. You're keeping your body straight, your spine tall, and you are walking with your core engaged. Do this for a minute. Then keep the dumbbells down and stretch your arms up and try side bends. We are preparing ourselves for the exercises. Do this for a minute. Once you are done with that, move to the shoulder rolls. Shoulder rolls, we are going to do 20 to the back and 20 shoulder rolls to the front. Once you're done with these three warm up exercises, move to wall angels. Now, wall angels, you need to lean on the wall, press your back on the wall, and stretch your arms down. Both the arms stretch up and now press them down. Slowly and gradually controlled movements. Try this 20, 20, 20 three times. Once you are done, then move to the main workout. Today's first exercise is arm flies. Here, what you're going to do, there is a slide bend in the knee, and you are hinging to the hips. Push your hips back rather than down towards the floor. So you're pushing your hips back, your back straight and lean forward. You're opening your arm as if you are flying. So arm flies, you will try 12, 12, 12, 12. That is 4 set. Okay, once you are done, then slowly move to the next one, which is standing row. Here, what you're doing again, you have hinged in the hip, knee slight bent, and with a you can hold a surface, table, chair, bed, and with one arm, you have you're holding the one arm to the desk or bed for a support purpose and other arm you're working. So this arm that you have, you stretch it out and then push it towards your body, making sure your elbow is locked or closer to the body. Okay, this one, if you are not sure if your form is correct, you can skip it doing it in the offline workout. You can wait for the online session, join and ask for this so that I can help you with your form. Once you're done with that, keep your dumbbell down. We will be moving to the push up, wall push up. So stand little away from the wall, both palm on the walls, your hand straight from the shoulder. You are leaning on the wall, trying to touch your nose on the wall and then push yourself back. This one also you're going to do 12, 12, 12, 12. In all, 4 set of 12. All right, then move to the next exercise where you can again add dumbbell. Here in this exercise, ball, water bottle, pillow or dumbbell you can take and do this exercise. This is a torso twist with extended arms, making sure your lower body is steady and upper body you are doing side bends. Then we will be moving to the next one, which is side reach. Here you are standing with both the legs together, hands down. But as you take your leg out, if you take your left leg out, your left hand goes to the other direction, stretching your arm up. Okay, here you can add dumbbells in both the hands. This one you will be doing 30, 30, 30, 30 in all four sets. Remember to alter the sets and difficulty levels based on your comfort levels. The next exercise is going to be bicep curl to shoulder press, but we call it shoulder up, shoulder down. In this one, you are going to do 15, 15, 15, 15, 4 set. Make sure you have keep your feet shoulder width apart. You have engaged your core and you are keeping your body strong, spine tall, and make sure you're doing these movements in a controlled manner and not just swinging the dumbbell. Okay, then after a short break, move to the next one. Here we will be doing full palm to elbow stretch. Try to bring palm to elbow closer and then press them back. 15, 15, 15, 15, 4 set. Moving on to the next one. This is your next exercise for your tricep. Here again, you need to slightly bend forward, hinging your hips. See, knees are never going beyond your toes. So avoid pushing your knee forward. It is just when you get into this position, you're standing tall. Now you're pushing hips back while leaning forward at the same time, and little bend in the knee, but not beyond your toes. Then you're pushing your elbows back, and while keeping your shoulders steady, try moving your elbow to forearm backwards. You feel this in your triceps. Okay, do this for 15 into 4 and move to the next one. In this one, you can skip the dumbbell, and if you want, you can hold a dumbbell if it is 1 kg or something that you can easily manage. Make sure you have given enough space in the between the legs, so अच्छे से gap दे दो यहाँ पे. Wide open your arms, bend and touch the toe, and then come right back up. Don't do the cheating, don't do all the repetitions while keeping yourself bent in the waist. So bend and then stand tall and then bend again. Moving on to the next one will be tricep. In this one, again, we are doing another exercise for tricep. Hold your body steady, spine tall, both the legs together, hands straight. Try to keep your arms to the ears, keeping your shoulder to elbow steady. Move your forearm. Try touching that dumbbell to the back. When I say try, I don't want you to force yourself too much, so give your best. After this, we will be moving on the floor. Our first exercise will be on our back. We will try to hold a baby pose. Okay, so this one I want you to give it a try. If you think no, it's not being possible, then just lie down and try to bring your thighs towards the tummy as much as you can. Hold this for 1 minute, rock yourself side to side, and then move to our next exercise, which is side heel reach. In this exercise, you are lying down on the floor, keeping your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, and you're trying to reach your heel one by one. You might have to get off the floor a little to reach to the heels. That's fine. If you're not reaching, that is also fine. Try your best. You will feel it in your obliques. That is your kamar side waist pay. You will feel this. And the last exercise after this is going to be our child pose. Okay, so in the child pose, you are on your knees, you'll be sitting on the calf muscles and then moving your hips forward. So make sure you have given yourself enough space. The arms needs to be stretched out, palm open, and head to hip you will be moving front and back. Once you are done with at least 15 into 4 repetitions, move to our favorite butterflies. Sit and do the butterfly stretch. Flutter your thighs. Do this for a minute and then last stretching. Both legs out. You have given yourself enough space. Try to bend forward. Stay there for few seconds and then repeat for 15 to 20 count. And the meditation, in the meditation today, you will be sitting in Vajrasan. Try to sit in the Vajrasan or in the other comfortable position. Try to do the meditation here, and once you are done, drop a message in the group. Thank you so much.